Today I'm going to look at this EWI5k. I've been having some trouble with it occasionally. So I want to see what I can do. I might have to open it up. Let's see. Let's try it out here first. Turn it on. See if it turns on. Looks like it loaded that time. See, it's not giving me anything here. Dead. Turns on and then just dies. I charged the battery and put it in there and charged the battery again, and now here it is, dead again. Okay, let's take it apart and see what the deal is. Well, first, let's just take out the battery again and try that again. That sometimes fixes it. All right, let's see. If I take this, pretty sure it's charged. Charged it, I think it was just yesterday. There we go. I'm just using the backs of this connector. See if I can get my probes on there. Yeah, it's 4.06 volts. That's plenty of voltage. I think it should be working fine. So I have a feeling it's not loading. It's loading corrupted files from the disk. You know, the SD card there. Let me see if I can put this back in. I think you're holding these two buttons down. Look at him. Looked like it came on there briefly, but it's still dead. Okay. All right, well, we're just gonna have to take it apart then. All right. We'll do this for now. All right, start taking the screws out. This one here, I'll just leave in there since it doesn't matter. Okay, that's one piece. Let's see. Take a slow look at that. Okay. There's a tube. There's a tube running over here. You gotta be careful, don't pull out. Okay, that's that. Ta-da! Okay. Okay. There. forgot to show you the bottom of this. That little board there is for the capacitive sensors here. And you can see the two wires going to these two strips. And then these buttons are just mechanical, pushing down on the buttons. Okay. All right. Now, here, look at this. This is the USB and audio board here. This main board is all one long piece, goes all the way down. And it has these other boards attached. This button board here. And then this power supply, and supposed to be there's a switch for the wireless. Not sure how they're making the antenna there. The roller board and control board. Okay, find out what's happening here. This is the battery connection here. Okay. I normally do this. This tells me the power percent. Oh, it's working now. Okay. All I did was take it apart, and it seems to be operating. That turned it off, right? Because, yeah, can't do anything there. So, I have a suspicion here that this is sometimes getting corrupt values here. All right, I got the SanDisk here. Looks like it's a 8 gigabyte, or is that gigabit? 8 gigabyte micro SD card. All right, I'm gonna go look at what this does on the computer. This is the original disk here, 8 gigabyte one, and I copied the files onto this 16 gigabyte one, and I'm gonna see if I get similar results. I did have a problem with one of the files. It didn't copy when I tried it with the RoboCopy, and then I dragged it in with Windows, and it copied. But so there might be a corrupt file there, and I'll show you the list of files here in a minute. Put that in here. This way it goes. Is there any other thing I need to do? No. Put it in there. Okay. Let's try this. Load. It doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try that. Oh, it worked. Just didn't have it in all the way. Okay, so that's with my new disk. Let's see. Let's test the power. It's showing me the power percentage. That's good. Let's see. I put this on. Let's do this first. Turn it off. Okay. Maybe I'm going to take this out. This is the only connection here, so that. The battery in here. Okay. No, it's not really. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it is alive. I didn't have that grounded. Okay. All right. Did I switch 84, 83? Okay. So it's switching. Okay, let's try it. Try it out here. All right. All right, that's working. Let's see. The trouble I had with it before was I would go up to a particular patch number and it would just die. It would just cut out. I mean, everything would go blank and it would stop working. Ah, see, like that. Oh, there it goes. It works. All right. I think I got it working again. That's good. It seems to be going through the patch numbers. All right, it wasn't doing that before. I've gone through all of them now, and it looks like it's catching them all. Sweet. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to I'll just put it back together and see if it stays good for now. This is the original. I got that other disc in there, the new one, and maybe I don't know. It might be that it's getting a bad connection on that disc and it can't read them sometimes. It might be something like as simple as that. You know what I see here is right here, this little piece of metal that bends down. I'm going to take this out and then bend that down a little so it pushes the card onto the contacts better. Maybe that'll help it from disconnecting, if that's what in fact the problem is. We'll see. Try that. All right, that ought to do. Take the new one, put it in there. It goes in all the way. Okay. Make sure it's loading. Okay, seems to be working. Put it down properly. Okay. Now it goes back together. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the going back together part.